Namaste. In this video, I will be explaining the landmark case of Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India in brief. In the aforementioned case, the scope of personal liberty guaranteed by Article 21 of the Indian Constitution was widened. The facts of the case are as follows. Maneka Gandhi was asked by the regional passport officer to surrender her passport. When she asked the reason for her to surrender her passport, the officer declined the same and confiscated her passport. Thereafter, Maneka Gandhi filed a writ petition under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution, contending that her right under Article 21 of the Constitution had been violated by the Act of the Regional Passport Authority. The case had certain issues at disposal before a 7-judge bench. They are as follows. Whether the right to personal liberty under Article 21 includes the right to travel abroad was the first issue. The second issue at disposal was whether the right to personal liberty can be restricted merely by a law regardless of it being arbitrary. The third issue at the disposal before the Supreme Court was whether Section 10, Clause 3 of the Passport Act 1967, which provided for impounding the passport, is violative of Article 14, 19 and 21 of the Indian Constitution. This case, which was being heard by 7-judge bench, held as follows. The first observation was the scope of right to personal liberty guaranteed by Article 21 of the Indian Constitution is wide and includes the right to travel abroad. The second observation was Section 10, Clause 1 of the Passport Act 1967 is constitutional, and the suspension and withdrawal of passport is necessary for national security. But as Maneka Gandhi was not provided with the reason for confiscation of her passport, it was violative of the principle of audi alteram patrum, which means let the other side be heard. The third observation was that the concept of golden triangle was propounded by the Supreme Court. It states that Article 14, 19 and 21 are interconnected, and every law must satisfy the requirements of all the 3 articles for the law to be constitutional. This is a significant case in the interpretation of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Hope this video helps you. Thank you. Namaste.